Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be riding on my scooter. Got some boys here. Got Ritzer Central and Liam rides. And then Scooter Chronicles with me. I don't know where we're going yet. Hold on.
Somehow my fingers
Huh? I did not know he was coming behind us. What? Okay, I'm not gonna burn your face out in the video just because you did that. Rage, bitch. Huh? Yeah, right now.
You sit it on it now.
Yeah, there's not. Don't worry, just came out of nowhere.
That guy doesn't have This was a good buy. 500 for this Burn 50 with the horn. 37-mile range. We're gonna have the advertising and scooter. I would love that. I need to take a stop at my house. Frank,
What?
stop recording.
I
Stop recording. The keep me warm. But now it's like done.
This is not gonna be the best like interactional video with me in it, but like
Whenever I have the gloves on,
I'm like it's like just showing the front. Riding.
You think we can go through there?
Yeah, we should.
Yeah. Stop going through the grass.
Cause I feel like it.
This is Alex Van, by the way.
Okay. Scooter Chronicles having trouble with Scooter. Alright, well, we're about at Segway. We had to take a stop at my friend's house for a second, but now we're about up there, kind of, I guess. Alright. Oh, wow, bro, it's not pretty good. Trying to follow these lines so it's like the best part not to get done. Alright, we're about at Segway now.
Goodbye.
Oh yeah, especially right there. I don't think I'm getting anything. I don't know. I think they're getting stuff, but we're gonna pop into Subway real quick, and then we're probably just gonna do because I don't know what we're doing this. But thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe because I hope to make like more videos like this and stuff like that, and like my scooter videos and stuff. I got the boys with me in the front, and then I'm going to the back. Named Scooter Chronicles. So, guys. We made it to Subway. And I'm not going to go inside because, like, I don't have any money because I'm poor. So, yeah.